Once upon a time, there were three friends who were walking through a jungle. They saw a monk at the edge of a cliff, and the first friend hurriedly said, "Can you see that monk? He's looking for his sheep. He once owned a flock of sheep, and he lost them. And now he looks about on the land from the edge of the cliff to see if he can find them." The second friend said, No. He's not looking for a flock of sheep. He's waiting for his friend. Can't you tell by the way he's standing and that anticipation in his eyes? He's waiting for a friend. The third friend said, "No, both of you are wrong. He's neither looking for a flock of sheep nor waiting for a friend. He's meditating, simply meditating." The three friends argued and discussed for a while, and ultimately decided to end the matter once and for all by going up to the monk and asking him what he was doing. They walked up to the monk, and the first friend tapped the monk on the shoulders. The monk slowly looked back. The friend asked, "Aren't you looking for a flock of sheep?" The monk said, "No." The second friend said, "Then you're probably waiting for a friend." The monk said, "No." The third friend said, "Then you must be meditating." The monk smiled and said, "No." All three of them were puzzled, and all three of them asked the monk in one voice, "So what are you doing?" The monk looked at them all and said, "Nothing," and just walked away. In life, all of us always think about doing something. We cannot think of a situation where we are not doing anything. All the time, we are actively seeking for something, actively looking for something, actively running after something. Or we are passively waiting for something. People meditate, but in the name of meditation, they also do something. They're either hypnotizing themselves, they're doing self-hypnosis, they're doing mantras, this, that. Our mind does not render the fact that there is a possibility of not doing anything at all. We're always running after cars and houses, men and women and relationships. But we are not calm enough to sit and do nothing. Why do I speak of this? I have experienced that point of nothingness, that small span where you're doing absolutely nothing. And I tell you, it is so blissful. It's almost equivalent to buying 100 cars. It's almost equivalent to building 10 homes. It's almost equivalent to having multiple orgasms simultaneously. Nothingness, doing nothing, being nothing, staying in the state of no mind, nothingness is our truest being. That is when we are not pulled or pushed by anything in life. And that is when we are at utmost peace and oneness with ourselves. Through our talks like this, I hope that I will be able to shed some light on whatever I felt and help you achieve it. And if possible, with these talks, I will also be able to achieve more of what I experienced. Let's go on a journey together, and let's seek the Spirit. If you like whatever you are seeing, then please press the like button. And if you think you want to go on a journey of the spirit, then subscribe to our channel. We will update you with more videos like these. Until next time.